Well, hey guys, Sinister the Drone Network here, and beautiful day to fly. Check it out. This is a flying field. I've never really done an overview of the flying field. A couple of you guys have asked me. So he's getting a plane ready down there. So this is the flying field. It's basically a big L. There's a hill way off there, and this is all of our area to fly here. Runway. The wind socks, you can tell which direction the wind's going. And typically, this is the drone area over here. This is where we do most of our flying. And we will be flying here today since we're going to have airplane traffic on the field here. So yeah, fun stuff. A little bit of wind, variable direction. Shouldn't be too bad. So, what we got here on the table, most of you guys already know, but I'll go over it anyhow. We have the LHI 250 build, Project Old School. Brought my recons with. Night train, I'm going to use this antenna on here to test out on the fat sharks. I got nothing FPV today though, so if somebody else shows up, I can always jump on their camera. We got the Ghost right there. Hopefully it's in frame because I can't see because of the sun glare. We've got Jack's MJX Bugs B2C. And we've got my MJX Bugs B2W. So yeah, we got quite a few packs charged. We're going to get into this and I'll catch you in the next clip here. And Jack flying my Ghost. I don't even know if I'm in frame with it. Can't see the sun glare so bad. Couldn't see it? Yeah, that sun is bright. Alright, we'll clip this one together. It's hard to see. Alright, I can see somewhat here. I wonder if I can brighten the screen all the way and see it. Yep, I don't care about the battery warning. There we go, now I can see. Walk of shame. Fly away from you, Jack. Why do you keep landing it? Why? Can you not see? Alright guys, so Jack's a little terrified to fly today because the sun's so bright he says he can't see. I just was ripping on the Ghost. I forgot how much fun that drone is. I kind of wish I could get him to record me, but that's not going to happen either. So we're going to watch these guys run their planes here and go at it from there. Alright, we're going to watch this fly here. Big old 50cc two-stroke. Try and get what I can. It's hard to see, guys. These things are so much fun to watch. Very cool. I hope I kept him in frame for most of that. Here's another plane flying, guys. The unfortunate nature of this is we draw a crowd here, but because of the guys here flying the planes, you can see everybody down there is watching him. So yeah. It's all good though. There's a pilot right there. So yeah. So he's getting into some acrobatic stuff, so I figured I'm going to try and film it best I can here. There he is. I think he's flying upside down right now. I mean, he's a ways up there, guys. He's stalling it right now. Yeah. It's pretty quick too.
Oh gosh, we got an eagle coming in from right there.
Yeah, there's a power loop.
He's upside down.
Yeah, he's upside down. Exactly. He's flying inverted. Let's see if I can zoom in on it a little bit here. Let's see. Try to keep on him. Ooh. It just stalls and comes back down. Something different to film anyhow. But yeah, this is what happens when we come here on nice days. You always see these guys out here flying the airplanes. I'm hoping the guy with a jet shows up. He said he was going to be here. But we were here about 3:30 last time. It's still about 1:30, 2 o'clock, so we'll see. We're in no big hurry. Catch you in the next clip. Getting ready to fly this plane. Yep. Take it up.
I already flew.
Go ahead. Nice and steady. There you go. Look who's hovering, old school. He was nervous to even do this. What do you think, Jack?
Fun. I said fun, I got distracted.
Focus on what you're doing, that's all. She's very responsive, huh?
Do you really have an axe already?
Yep.
You going to ice tonight?
Huh?
Are you going to ice tonight?
No.
I think I'm ready to fall one of these fields.
Oh, you haven't done an FPV yet.
Have you?
Not this one. Don't you think I would have been flying it if I did? Do a...
Huh? Do what?
None. I'm surprised you didn't pitch it forward for a second yet.
I think camera's on.
Camera's not on.
Okay. Is it an acro?
Nope. Got a lot more pitch than the gross.
Oh, it's going
Something you got to get used to. Is it going dead? Whoop.
What's it doing?
It's going dead.
Is that how it acts?
So how do you feel? Look. How do you feel?
Awesome.
Yeah? Okay. Good deal. Alright guys. This will be the last video of all the clips I'm putting together from today. Turn the transmitter off.
It's off.
Okay. Good deal. We're out.